Today we're gonna talk about wheels and tire setup, and I added another mod that looks cool and is cost effective. But before anything else, my name is Jeff. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button. You are watching JT Adventures.
Hey! Hey!
Last time I installed a 2.5 lift kit on my JKU, so I decided to go with a 17-inch Steely's rims and a 35-inch mud terrain tires. For more info on how to choose the perfect wheel set for your Jeep, I have added the link on the description below. Now come with me and we will walk through the installation process. So I got a new rims, it's Procom Steely's. It's sturdy and it's reliable and it's good for off-roading and it's cheap at the same time. It looks so different now and looks so awesome. Man. So this is the surprise mod that I made this time. I bought a used ARB bumper on Facebook Marketplace for only 250 Canadian dollars. And let's see how it went. What's up, Cody?
How's it going?
Hey, good. Nice to meet you. Bro, you just like a piece bumper now. All right.
Yeah, so COVID.
Yeah. All right.
We got a new bumper here. Oh, well, new bumper.
Oh, you get it down? Hey, wait.
There's the bumper.
Alright,
Nice and solid.
So I got the bumper from Cody, and right now they're gonna put it. It's crazy. So we got the bolt here, put in the plastic bag, throw the plate inside. That goes under, right?
Yeah, so it sits
It's up.
kind of like this, and it comes in on the underside. You'll see it. I got some bolts,
Right. Okay.
so you'll see where it lines up.
Well, thank you, bud. All right.
Nice to
Thank you.
meet you.
Yeah.
Good luck with the bumper.
Yeah.
And the Jeep. Nice Jeep.
Oh, thank you. So now we got the bumper, and then now I'm gonna power wash it and put the new paint on it, and then see how it goes. And now time for some paint. So now we're done putting a new paint on this bumper, and now we're gonna install it and we'll see how it looks like. That's it for now. See you in the next episode of JT Adventures.